Do you know how there are certain foods that just bring back beautiful memories? And that's what latkes do for me. They remind me of my children's early years when they were in preschool and even grade school. And there's something that we all loved about latkes, and I love making them. I encourage all of you that like to have food prep done or have little ones. This is a great thing that you can make ahead of time. You can keep in the freezer or the fridge. I prefer to make everything fresh, but I know that's not always possible. So in these, we have sweet potatoes and regular potatoes. Sometimes I like to put parsnips in them too. And then just some simple plain Greek yogurt on the plate. I actually steamed these green apple, and seasoned them with cinnamon and nutmeg and some cardamom. It's very yummy. And some of the cranberry relish that I have in my fridge, I added there. So delicious. So if inspired, think ahead. And for all of you that have been celebrating Hanukkah, happy Hanukkah. And thank you so much for the latke that has filled all of our hearts